So students, now let us discuss the question answers. On page number 68 of your book, on the basis of your understanding of the story, take the correct option given. Okay. So Captain John Smith and his men wanted to establish Jamestown to. So for what they wanted to establish Jamestown? Let us see. Set up a settlement. Make a shorter trade route to Asia. Yes, of course. And find gold and riches. Of course. So they wanted to set up the settlement there in Jamestown. Of course. Then make a shorter trade route to Asia. That is why they got settled down in the peninsula. Then find gold and riches. They thought that they would find gold and riches. So this means that all of the above. So the fourth one is the correct answer. That means all these three. So take the fourth one. Now come to the next one. The reason Captain John Smith was not successful in his mission was that. So what was the reason that he could not succeed? Who? John Smith, and he went to London again. So first sentence is he became greedy and treacherous. I don't think so. Not at all. Then his men were not used to physical labor. Yes, they were not trained farmers. They were traders. The natives were hostile. No, all the natives were not hostile. Only few were there who were the hostages. Then he was in a hurry to complete a job. Not at all. So it is the second one. So take the second one. His men were not used to physical labor. Now come to the third one. Pocahontas is remembered best as. So the first one, a symbol of peace. Let us see. A brave and fierce warrior. No, she was not a warrior. She was brave, but she was not a fierce warrior. So the third one, an intelligent girl. She was intelligent, yes, but not only intelligent, something other things were. Then a beautiful princess, not only beautiful, but there were many other things. So here you can mark the first one, a symbol of peace. Ultimately, she was a symbol of peace between both the communities, the Americans and the Britishers, both. Now let us come to the question answers part. So the first question, who was Pocahontas and how did she get her name? So who was Pocahontas? Obviously she was the daughter of Powhatan, who was the chief of Powhatan Confederacy. And how did she get her name? That she was very beautiful and a very playful one. She attracted all the people there. She was a happy person, so that's the reason why. Okay. The second question, how did Powhatan not like the settlers? So why these people did not like the settlers? They did not like the settlers because many years back also they had come there and they had taken their land, they had killed their people. That is why they did not like the settlers. The Powhatans did not like the settlers. Let us come to the third one. How did Pocahontas help James Smith twice? Now this is a very easy answer. We all know that Pocahontas was the girl who had saved James Smith's life twice, isn't it? And what was the first one when she saved his life? It was, I think, when he was wandering in the forest in search of food and he was captured by the people of Native Americans and then taken to Powhatan. And there he was trying to talk to the Powhatans, but they did not understand his language and anyhow they wanted to kill. And then it was Pocahontas who came to his father and begged for his life. So that was the first time when she saved his life. And secondly, it was when he was trying to offer that compass and all that, and he was talking in the sign language for the peace. And then he was trying to negotiate with these people. But very cunningly, Powhatan, what he did, he asked him to stay in the cabin nearby because it was almost midnight. And that was the time that very cunningly he wanted to kill Captain Smith. And that was the time that Pocahontas told him that the intentions of her father, and then he was able to escape from that place and he saved his life. So next one, that is the fourth one. How did Captain Argyle manage to capture Pocahontas as a hostage? So very cunningly, what he did actually, it was Japasaws, Chief Japasaws. Actually, Pocahontas' father had sent her to Potomac tribes because he thought that she might be safe there, so he had sent her there. But then what happened? The friend of Japasaws was Captain Argyle. And who was he? He was also a Britisher, and he was one of the best friends of Potomac tribe Japasaws, head Japasaws. So one day Captain Argyle had invited both these people along with Pocahontas. So all the three they went there, and at night, anyhow, the wife of Japasaws and Japasaws, they tried to lure Pocahontas into the Argyle's ship so that she could go and see that ship. Okay, and then she went there to see the ship, and ultimately she was captured. By the evening, she realized that she has been made a hostage there. So that is how Captain Argyle managed to make Pocahontas as a hostage. Now come to the E1. What did Captain Argyle expect to achieve by holding Pocahontas to ransom? Now actually Captain Argyle, what he did, he never wanted to hurt Pocahontas. Okay, why? The reason, he very well knew that she is being loved by the Britishers also, and if he is going to harm her, obviously he won't be spared by those people, his own people. So what he did, he tried to persuade these Americans, and he told these Americans, he started threatening them that if you are not going to return my people or release my people and return our weapons, I am not going to leave Pocahontas. So that is how he was trying to get things. Come to the F question. How did captivity change Pocahontas' life forever? Captivity means how when Pocahontas was captive, when she was captured by Captain Argyle, but it proved to be very good for her. In the sense like the people, the Britishers, they loved her a lot. She was loved by those people there. So she could learn their language. Those people, they gave her nice English clothes to wear, and even taught her about the culture and the language. She was given nice books and all to read. So that is how actually she polished herself there. So this was one of the nice change for Pocahontas, and it really changed her life forever. And because her father did not give the weapons to Captain Argyle, so this girl, she had to stay there forever in London. So what she did, she got married, and then she also had a son, and that is how her life changed. So now let us come to the G1. Why did Pocahontas go to England? So why she went to England? I'll give you the answer for this. And how was Pocahontas received in England? These two questions. So Pocahontas had gone to England in order to raise some peace movement. She wanted to settle down peace between both English colonists as well as the Americans also. And when she reached in London, she was received with warmth. And there she happened to meet some important people. She even met King of that place, King James first. And then she also met her old friend, that is Captain Smith. Okay, and there her big statue was made just to publicize her, and she was received with love in that place. So that is how she was received in London. So this is, now we come to our end of this discussion of the questions. Now on page number 70 you have one, you can see this vocabulary part is also there. Okay, you can see this crossword puzzle. I want you all to solve this crossword puzzle all by yourself. Okay, and then whenever in the next period I am going to tell you the answers of this. Okay, or I can send it in the group and you can have a look at it. So with this we come to our end. Now I'll give you your question answers which you can write in your back copy, and few other things I'll give you as your assignment. Okay.